Hello, my dearest friends. Welcome to my Creative Moon channel. And today I'm going to share with you some of my magic scented candles I've made recently with its properties. Okay, these are the candles. The candle for banishing negativity, candle for health and healing, candle for boosting creativity, candle for love and light, candle for meditation and enlightenment, candle for money and success, candle for relaxation and sleep, and the candle for protection. These are already up and it's under the Bruja Project merchandise, and so we are selling these candles. This is the candle for banishing negativity, so let's open. Okay, so as you can see, we have here a piece of paper. It's where I wrote the sigil to burn when you light the candle. Now this one is a black soy wax candle with lava stones on it, and of course I used rosemary, black pepper, and basil herbs. The scent is frankincense oil, and then I placed also a witch's black salt for driving out the negativities, and of course here Celtic triquetra trinket, the candle for banishing negativity. Next one is the candle for protection. There I used the trinket and Indian hamsa for protection. There's also the sigil here to burn when you light the candle. And of course the ingredients is a white soy candle, soy wax candle. And then I use the phantom stones. Also, I used red salt for protection. The herbs are basil, chili seeds, the rosemary oil for the scent, and there you go. You have the magic candle for protection. Next we got here is the candle for boosting creativity, trinket, tree of life there. Then of course the sigil. This is a fuchsia soy wax candle, and I used carnelian stones here, and fennel seeds, cloves, and cinnamon for the herbs. And the scent is chamomile, and I also placed the rock sea salt here to energize and to boost our creativity and productivity. This is the candle for boosting creativity. Okay, next candle is a candle for money and success. Candle most of us would love. I have the trinket here of the horseshoe for luck and money, and then the sigil for money and luck, for prosperity. So you have to burn it to activate its power. This is an orange soy wax candle, and then I placed fennel seeds and thyme. The stone I used is citrine, and then the scent of course is bergamot oil and rock sea salt here. Okay, there we go. We have the candle for money and success, for peace, anti-stress relief, relaxation, and sleep. This is a good candle for you. And also you got a trinket there as well. It's a moon and stars trinket with a sigil to help you sleep and make you calm. Of course the candle is steel, or sometimes I use the blue one for this type of candle. And then I use lavender seeds and lavender oil for the scent, with the Himalayan pink salt, and the stones are clear quartz with lavender potpourri. There you go. Okay, next is the candle for love and light with moon and stars trinket and the sigil of course. This is also good for self-love and care. This is a red soy wax candle with dried rose petals and rose potpourri. The stones I used here are rose quartz, and the scent is very romantic. It's the jasmine essential oil. Okay, so this is our magic candle for love and light. Okay, next one, the candle for health and healing. There, it's also the tree of life trinket attached with jute string. Okay, so here we go. We also have the health and healing sigil, and this is a green colored soy wax candle, and the herbs I used are dill and cloves herbs with bloodstones for healing, and of course the scent is eucalyptus and Himalayan pink salt. There, so this is our health and healing candle. Now we got the candle for meditation and enlightenment. This one is good for spiritual awakening and our spell works, of course, with the sigil. I used a purple soy wax candle here with amethyst stones and rock sea salt, of course, and bay leaf herbs. The scent is sandalwood, very fragrant. So this is the candle for meditation and enlightenment. That's the last on the batch. I also tried one like this, half moon, the candle itself. There with herbs, of course, and black salt as well. The scent is lavender. And last, I tried these candles that I curved, or you can also curve the sigil here and burn it and use on your spell works and rituals. Okay guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much and bye.